Good morning! I'm trying to eat my breakfast with this pomelo fruit. I need to eat this first before having my breakfast. I mean, this is my breakfast, but before I will have coffee, I will eat first this pomelo fruit. Because this is better to eat fruits before having coffee. So this is the first thing that your body will absorb. Especially so I'm a colon cancer survivor. I had my surgery during the pandemic last August 2021. I survived. I got sick also of COVID 2 times during the pandemic, but I still survived. So I am very, very careful with my food. I'm a colon cancer survivor. So I'm eating this pomelo fruit for breakfast before I will have coffee. After 30 minutes, I will have my coffee. So it's better for our health. I'm colon cancer survivor. I had my surgery last August 2021. I'm now 69 years old, a widower. My hubby died last 2004. And I have 3 daughters. They are all grown up. They are professionals, my 3 daughters. I've been working very hard just to let them complete college. Now they complete college, so they have jobs now. My eldest daughter is with me. She lives with me here in my house, and my other 2 daughters are in Canada with their family. They are working there. They come to visit me maybe after 2 years, every 2 years. So life is getting better now since my daughters got work. They completed college. Because I have been working very hard just to let them complete college. I was the only one who supported them. But my late mother-in-law helped a bit. But I did most. So I've been working very hard all my life. I'm now 69 years old and a little bit relaxing these days. Now, I love eating oranges or pomelo in the morning. It's better to absorb fruit first before having coffee, or apples, whatever fruits you have in the house. So while waiting the 30 minutes, I will do my dancing a little bit. The music is not very loud because it's not allowed to have loud music while doing video. While doing the videos, a copyright, it says there. So I will just dance. This is a good exercise for the waistline and the hips. So I enjoy doing this every morning. It is best to do exercise in the morning. I enjoy doing this anyway. This is fun though. Dancing is fun. Music is not loud because it's not allowed. It's good for the waistline. Though I'm 69 years old, I still can dance a little bit. And I always do stretching too, stretching exercise. Stretching is really good because I have a book of stretching exercise. And it says there it makes us younger. And I have been doing sit-up since I was a teenager. So maybe that is one reason that I look a little bit younger, even if I'm 69. Stretching is fun. As long as you feel your body is stretched, just do it. If your body, any exercise that you feel your body is being stretched, that's good. It really helps you young. That's why I have a book. I really cannot find a book. But I will try to find the book I bought many years ago. And accidentally that I've been doing stretching since I was a teenager. And I accidentally bought that book, and wow, I was so amazed. I was so amazed when I bought that book. I found it in a bookstore, and stretching is really very effective, and I think that is one reason why I look a little bit younger, as they say, because of my stretching every day. Stretching is fun. Just do any action that stretch your body. Like this, stretching like this. You can do it 150 or 50, or how it depends on how you feel. And like this, and your arms like that, and arms like this. As long as you feel your body is being stretched, it's okay. That is very effective. And exercising your neck is one way of relieving stress. Yeah, try to do it. Tell your grandchildren or your daughters to do stretching. It's really fun. Stretching is really fun. It makes you younger. I believe so, because I am 69 and still some people say I look like 40 or 50. Even if I am 69. So exercise. This is also good. Stretching your body. It's also good for the arms. This one. Stretching like this. I do this 150. And this one I really do it 150 to stretch my back, my arms. And my sit up, I do my sit up 150. But when I was younger, I do 1,000 sit ups when I was in my teenage. And now I'm older, I lessen it. Try to do it because it's really fun. Stretching is really fun. It's one of my favorite. Guys, thank you for watching. Try to do your exercise, guys. It's good for our health. And the stretching, as I said, is very effective. It really keeps us younger, and it softens the fats when you do stretching. It softens the fats. Just do it longer time. So it's more effective when you do it longer time, the stretching. I do it, especially my sit-up, I do it 150. Like I said, I heard that from Winfrey Oprah, our Hollywood star. I learned that from her. Doing sit-up 150 is very effective. That's why she was sexy before when she did those exercise. Stretching is good. Thanks for watching, guys. Do your exercise every day. Like I said, I'm 69 years old, a colon cancer survivor. But I still do my exercise every day to keep me fit. And I eat fruits every day and vegetables. So that is fun for us. Especially as we are getting older. Getting older gracefully is fun. I love doing my exercise. So let's do our exercise every day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.